Hi, welcome back. On the last video we showed you some raw materials before starting our trailer. We also then showed you the trailer well and truly underway. We've now completed that, and as you can see we've now finished our frames. Now we like to use steel as opposed to timber. We're happier with the rigidity that we get out of using the steel framing. We use 75mm, the old 3-inch, which still gives us plenty of insulation, but at the same time doesn't take away from the dimensions of the internal of the tiny home. You can see here in the pre-painted steel we've got what we call a portal, and the reason for that is this is actually going to be a commercial glazed window, as well as we've got a commercial glazed window higher up as well. So there's physically no weight that's going to be on the aluminium frame or the glass, whilst it's stationary as well as in transport. So in coming weeks we'll start to erect, but we'll show that on another video, so we'll talk to you again soon.